How to enable dark mode on TikTok. So here, I'll detail how you can easily turn on or enable your dark mode feature on the TikTok application on Android as well as on iPhone. So if none of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable dark mode on TikTok, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Then while on the TikTok For You page or on the feeds page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, while on your TikTok profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Then, select Settings and Privacy. Once you select Settings and Privacy, you just want to scroll down the page. Under Content and Display, locate Display and click on it. Now, here you have light and then dark. You can also use device settings. So, if you automate dark and light mode on your phone, turn on Match Appearance to your device, Display and Brightness settings. Then you should see dark mode turn on automatically if you are currently on dark mode. However, if you want to force dark mode on your TikTok account permanently, just go ahead and choose dark. And once you choose dark, your TikTok account will be set to dark mode by default, whether you're using dark mode on your phone or not. Then you can now exit the page. See that? So all other things you do on TikTok will be on dark mode. So that is basically how to enable or turn on dark mode on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.